Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer di Ukraina, Rabu tanggal 27 April. Juru bicara militer Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov menyebut dalam 12 jam terakhir, pasukan rudal dan artileri melakukan 573 tugas menembak pada malam hari. Sebanyak 432 area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer musuh, 67 posisi artileri, 2 baterai peluncur roket ganda, serta 7 depot amunisi musuh dihancurkan. Pertahanan udara Rusia menembak jatuh 18 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di dekat Alexandrovka, Balakleya, Bryanka, Zaporozhye, Izium, Kapitolovka, Premoga, Petrovka, Popasnu, Proletarsko, Trudolyubovka, termasuk 2 UAV Bayraktar TB2 di dekat Kalesnikovka dan Krasny Liman, kata Majen Igor. Selain itu, 1 rudal taktis Ukraina Tokau ditembak jatuh di atas Ilychevka juga dihancurkan. Secara total, sejak awal operasi militer khusus, 141 pesawat, 110 helikopter, 607 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 273 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 2.596 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, serta 296 peluncur roket ganda, 1.134 artileri lapangan dan senjata mortir dan 2.413 unit kendaraan militer khusus telah dihancurkan, kata Majen Igor dikutip.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision, long-range sea-based caliber missile strikes destroyed hangars with a large batch of foreign weapons and ammunition supplied by the United States and European countries for Ukrainian troops on the territory of the Zaporozhye aluminium plant. Operational, tactical and army aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 59 military facilities of Ukraine overnight. Among them, 50 areas of concentration of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment, 4 weapons and ammunition depots near Chervonnaya, Dolginka, Pashkoe and Vesele, and 1 Buk-M1 anti-aircraft missile system near Slavyansk. As a result of the strikes, over 120 nationalists and 35 armored vehicles and cars were destroyed. Missile troops and artillery performed 573 firing tasks during the night, destroyed 432 areas of concentration of enemy manpower and military equipment, 67 artillery positions, 2 batteries of multiple rocket launchers, as well as 7 ammunition depots. Russian air defense means shot down 18 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Alexandrovka, Balakleya, Bryanka, Zaporozhskaya, Izium, Kapitolovka, Peremoga, Petrovka, Popasna, Proletarskaya, Trudolyubovka, including 2 Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles near Kalesnikovka and Krasny Liman. In addition, 1 Ukrainian tactical missile .U was shot down over Ilychevka. In total, since the beginning of the special military operation, 141 aircraft and 110 helicopters, 607 unmanned aerial vehicles, 273 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,596 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 296 multiple rocket launchers, 1,134 field artillery and mortar guns, as well as 2,413 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.